Well, hello people. Welcome to our world. We got a package today from UPS. This is what was in it. But look at that. Orange compared to our first two that are green. I would prefer green over orange for a number of reasons. One, that blends in a little better with nature. That is much more obvious. But eventually I hope there will be ammunition in this. You know what I haven't done yet is put it in the rifle. So now these are brand new. These were used. Got them cheap. And only thing now is Obama's doing his UN weapons ban thing, and that may mean no ammunition. Thing is, next month is Christmas, and I want to get Carolyn some things for Christmas. So hopefully come January, because we're actually now at least a month behind everything. We didn't pay the internet bill this month, and we don't have any more money, so I don't know when we're going to lose it, but we're going to lose it eventually. And we need to, so next month we need to pay them something. At least our rent may be going down. It depends. It looks like it's going down a little bit, which is good. But you know, I do like that they're black. You know, they could be green, but black is good, and they're aluminum. You don't have a window to see how much is in there, but that's okay. I can, when I shot it that one day, because I've only shot it once, as the magazine was emptying, I could feel the weight change, and you know, so at least I know that. I'm not sure if I'm going to get one of those grips to put up here, something just to kind of, you know, you can see, to hold. But I do fine like that, but it might work better. You know, I don't want to do that, but to put my hand in front and do that. What site do I have it on right now? I have it on the day site, which is fine. I mean, I can, my beard gets in the way of everything. But I need to work on sighting it in. We got this yesterday. And it's pretty good so far. There's the back cover. The chapters are pretty short. It's different than Where There Is No Doctor, which is very third world, very basic, but this is also pretty basic, but this also deals with things that are not in Where There Is No Doctor. And I'd like to take a class, either EMT Basic or, see if I can find it again. EMT Basic is what I would really prefer to take. I'd really like to take that class. Trying to find this. Okay. No. Okay, I don't know where it is now. Likely medical issues, medical skills to learn. But it's a good book. These magazines, every single magazine came packed in one of these. I had to cut them open. I have to throw them away. Also got this. For you ANCAPs out there, this, I haven't read it yet, but the chapters are pretty short, so hopefully it'll be good. Hey, look at that beautiful woman right there. And I need to read it. One thing that I posted this on Yahoo Answers, how to slow the mind down, how to calm the mind, because mind just goes and 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 goes. You know, I can have a movie going while I'm playing a game, while I have 20 windows open on the computer. I need to calm the mind. Anyway, so January, hopefully we'll still be able to buy ammunition without paying an arm and a leg, and then I'd like to go ahead and get I don't remember how much. I estimated it on one website, like 1,800 rounds or something. I'd use about half of that, just target practicing, or for target practice and planking, but don't want to use too much of it. And I want to get a case of ammo for the Mosin. They have one where it's like 2 tins in a wooden case. I'd like to get that. If not, I'll just get one of the tins. That should last quite a while. Although you use a lot of ammo when you're practicing. I really need to work on my skills with the Mosin, but oh well. So we're prepping, because things are, you know, Obama's already, he bombed Yemen the day he gets elected, he bombs Yemen, re-elected. You know, definitely not a peace president. But it wouldn't have mattered. Obama, Romney, same thing. You know, two heads to the same monster. They're already talking about austerity measures here in the United States. That's going to be bad, really bad, especially for us. Hopefully, we in New Cary will use our 10th Amendment rights and nullify some of the federal programs, but I don't know. So anyway, good luck wherever